Do you want a side hustle, but you don't want anything loud, stressful, overwhelming, and you certainly don't want to be on the phone dealing with people or chaos? You just want something quiet, simple, and realistic, and you just want to make extra money. Because today I'm going to show you 7 quiet side hustles that you can do at night that most people are not even thinking about. And one of these is probably something that you can literally start this week. And if you're new here, my name is Kim, 54 years old, been laid off twice in the last 10 years alone. That led me down the path of looking at side hustles. I've come across hundreds of them, and I thought I'd share some with you. So if you're interested in this kind of content, please subscribe and don't forget to like this video. Now, before we start, if you are interested in a way that you can earn some passive income without having to sacrifice too much of your extra time, click on the link in the description below. Side hustle number 1 is proofreading. This is obviously one of the quiet side hustles out there because all you're doing is reading documents, checking for errors, making corrections. You could go to websites like Upwork, proofreadingservices.com, and the best part is you don't have to talk to anyone. You just focus and work. You work on your own schedule and there's no degree required. Side hustle number 2 is selling printables. You can create things like planners, checklists, trackers, recipes, workout plans, wedding invitations. And the cool thing is you design it once, you create it once, and you can sell it over and over again. So it is a great way if you're interested in making passive income, because again, you're creating it once, you're putting it on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, and people go to those websites and they find your printable and they buy, you make money. So again, you create it once, you upload it to those websites, and then it is out there for people to grab at any time. Next, we have transcription, and this is perfect. Obviously, if you like quiet work, you simply listen to audio and you type what you hear. You go to companies like rev.com and transcribe me. And obviously it works well at night because there's minimal distractions, because hopefully everyone's asleep. So it makes it easier for you to focus. Next one, we have data entry. And this is obviously as straightforward as it gets because you're entering data in spreadsheets or systems. You can use platforms like ClickWorker or to find jobs. And it's great because there's no selling, no pressure, just simple tasks. And it's the kind of thing where you can put on some good music and just work at the same time. Number 5, we have remote bookkeeping tasks. So if you're detail oriented, this could definitely be a solid option for you because what you're doing is organizing expenses, tracking transactions, updating records. You can find jobs like this through Belay and Upwork, and it's just quiet, focused, structured work. And a lot of the clients you might find are reoccurring, so that's going to be bringing in that monthly income. Next, we have caption editing because you're not starting from scratch, you're fixing captions. So you correct text or sync captions. Again, you can go to platforms like Rev or Ghost. So simply you're fixing errors and you're getting paid. And the best part is there's no pressure. All you're doing is fixing what's already there. Now this might be the simplest one. You upload photos and they could sell multiple times. So if you go to platforms like Adobe Stock or Shutterstock and upload your photos, then you can have bloggers and other creators go to those websites, and if they want to use your photo on their content, you get a royalty for it. So again, it's another great way. You're doing the work once, but you're getting paid over and over again. So that's a great way to earn passive income. Now, what I want you to notice is none of these are obviously flashy or exciting, but they work because they're simple, quiet, consistent. But the real problem is when people are presented with a bunch of side hustles, it's hard to pick just one. So sometimes people pick several, and then after you pick several, you get overwhelmed, and then you wind up doing none of them. I recommend that you start with one first, master it, and then if you have the time, bring in another side hustle. So again, pick a side hustle, focus on it for 30 days, and stay consistent. That is what I recommend, and that's what's going to get you the most money in that side hustle. So if you are over 50 and trying to figure out side hustles without feeling overwhelmed, I have a guide that walks you through what this actually looks like step by step. So you could stop jumping in between ideas and start understanding what a real system looks like. And again, we break this down. What makes this side hustle different from the other ones is with the ones that I presented, yeah, you'll make a couple bucks, which is totally cool, which is totally helpful. But if you want to start to earn an income where you can eventually replace your full-time job, maybe in a year or two, then I recommend you grab the guide below in the description. You're going to see a simple system. It's a way to earn passive income, residual income. And we're also going to teach you additional ways to make money without working any more hours. So if you want all that information, click on the link in the description below. We're going to teach you the skills how to earn $1,400 a day. Again, click on the link in the description below. And you are interested in more side hustles, check out the video that's popping up here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.